More than 130 countries are battling this virus. From football teams to Hollywood stars, nobody has been spared. There were even reports of Brazil's president, Jair Bolsonaro, becoming the first head of state to contract the virus. He now says he's tested negative. But the threat is real for everyone. Here is the Gravitas coronavirus tracker.
India records its first COVID-19 death. A 76-year-old man in the southern state of Karnataka succumbed. He had recently traveled to Saudi Arabia. India has confirmed 81 cases of the virus so far. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's wife Sophie Trudeau has tested positive for the Wuhan virus. The first couple is now in self-quarantine. The Prime Minister has announced that he will work from home. Sophie Trudeau recently returned from an event in the United Kingdom and tested positive after showing flu-like symptoms. English Premier League stands suspended till April 3rd. This after English football club Arsenal's manager Mikel Arteta tested positive for the coronavirus. Also did Chelsea's player Callum Hudson-Odoi, forcing both the clubs into self-quarantine. Italy, the center of Europe's coronavirus pandemic, has reported more than 1,000 deaths since its first case was reported 3 weeks ago. The total number of confirmed cases has now crossed the 15,000 mark. Italy is under complete lockdown.
Novel coronavirus is a virus.
In a startling projection, U.S. Congress physician Dr. Brian Monahan says anywhere between 70 to 150 million Americans could contract the coronavirus. He says America should prepare for the worst. In a major revelation, the man who co-discovered the Ebola virus says the new coronavirus is much, much worse than Ebola. Peter Piot said that unlike Ebola, which requires close contact with a victim, the Wuhan virus was very infectious and can be contracted just by speaking to somebody. Peter Dutton, the Home Affairs Minister of Australia, has become the latest high-profile politician to contract the deadly novel coronavirus. The minister is being kept in isolation in a hospital in Queensland. Coronavirus has taken a toll on Disney. Theme parks in California and Florida and the Disney resort in Paris are being shut for a month. Disney theme parks in Hong Kong, Shanghai and Tokyo have already been closed. Nepal has blocked access to all of its Himalayan peaks, including Mount Everest in the middle of the climbing season. The suspension of expeditions in Nepal will affect hundreds of foreign climbers. While the world grapples with the coronavirus, the country of origin, China, seems to be getting a hold on the situation. Just 8 new cases were reported today. This is the lowest daily tally since the virus began spreading in January.